In this tutorial, we will see how you can restore your Steam cloud saves on Windows. Just a few simple steps. First, open Steam on your PC. In the top left corner, click on the Steam icon and select Setting drop-down menu. Click on the Cloud tab. Make sure the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization option is checked. After enabling this option, close Steam by clicking on the Steam icon again and select Exit. Reopen it by clicking on the Steam icon from desktop or Start menu. This will refresh Steam and sync your cloud data. Once Steam has restarted, go to the library section, find the game for which you want to restore cloud saves. Right-click on the game and select Property. Enable Steam Cloud for the specific. In the Properties window, look for the Steam Cloud option. Ensure the Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for Game Name option is enabled for the specific game you are restoring save. After enabling Steam Cloud, you may need to manually locate the save file on your system. In the Properties window, go to the Installed Files tab. Click Browse button. This will open Games Install folder in File X. From here, find the User Data folder. In the User Data, you will see multiple subfolder numbers. These represent game. To identify the exact folder for the you are restoring, open a browser and go to storedsteampowered.com. Search for the game like Call of Duty, the Steam store. Look at the URL. You will see a number, app ID, the URL. This number corresponds to the folder data. Once you have located the correct folder, you will see your saved data. This folder contains the file synced to Steam Cloud. Your game's progress should now be restored. And that is how you can restore Steam Cloud saves on Windows in just steps.